Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel.
So you're planning to come to Canada but you have low CRS score? Then this video is right for you.
Yes, in this video I am going to explain full process on Alberta PNP where you require only 300 CRS score. But one question you will have in your mind is why would you choose Alberta?
Because Alberta is Canada's energy province. And the primary industries include oil, gas, agriculture, forestry, tourism and telecommunications. The combination of a high quality of life and a great job opportunities has many people looking at destinations within the province. Alberta is very beautiful as it has rocky mountains, lakes and parks. The scenery is amazing. So Alberta offers better paying jobs, fewer taxes and a very low cost of living. So save more and earn more. Alberta has one of the highest wages in any industry in the country. It also has many job opportunities available and it has one of the fastest growing economies in the North America.
So let's go through Alberta PNP process now. So in this video we will be going through what is Alberta Immigrant Nominee Program, what are the different streams for AINP, and what is Alberta Express Entry stream including eligibility criteria, how to apply and what to do after you get the nomination certificate. Now Alberta Immigrant Nominee Program is an economic immigration program that nominates people for permanent residence in Alberta. Nominees must have skills to fill the job shortage or to be planning to buy or start a business in Alberta. And this program is run by Government of Alberta and Canada. So now to look it up some past draws in 2021 for AINP, total 6 draws happened in 2021 from January to March and 1009 candidates were sent NOI letters and the lowest score required was only 301. Now if your CRS score is between 300 to 400 and your occupation is in-demand occupation for Alberta, then you must apply for Alberta PNP program. And to check out how to check your CRS score, please watch this video and you can also find the link in the description box below. Now AINP has major two streams for worker and streams for entrepreneur. We are going to focus more on Alberta Express Entry stream. So Alberta Express Entry stream allows the province of Alberta to nominate a limited number of candidates from the Express Entry system. Candidates with strong ties to the province or those who will add to the economy of Alberta will be asked to submit an application via a nomination of interest. And international graduates who have graduated from Canadian institution may also be nominated. Now you must note that you cannot apply directly, you cannot use a nomination under a different AINP stream, and if AINP discovers a fraud, then you may be banned up to 5 years from reapplying to the AINP. And Alberta Express Entry stream nominees cannot extend their nomination. Now what are the eligibility requirements? So you must have an Express Entry profile. And how to create your Express Entry profile, you should watch this video and you will be able to create your Express Entry profile in 30 minutes without any help. Now second, you have stated an interest in immigrating permanently to Alberta. Now when you are filling out the questionnaire for Express Entry profile, there will be a question that in which province or territory do you intend to live in, and in this question you should select all provinces and territory so that it will allow you to apply for any PNP you may eligible for. The requirement number 3 is working in an occupation that supports Alberta's economic development. So if you are selected for FSWP category, then you should have 1 year of experience, and if you are selected for FSTP category, then you should have 2 years of experience. And these different categories were covered in my previous videos and the link is in the description box below. Number 4, the language requirements is same as Express Entry. So now if you qualify for FSWP or Canadian Experience class, then you must have CLB 7, and if you are qualified for FSTP, then you must have CLB 4. And number 5 is you must have CRS score of 300 points. Now there are certain factors that will increase your chances to get selected for AINP. Number 1 is you have a job offer from Alberta or a work experience in Alberta. Number 2 is if you are a graduate of a Canadian post-secondary institution, means you have studied in Canada. Number 3 is you have a parents, child, brothers or sister who is a permanent resident and living in Alberta, or a Canadian citizen living in Alberta. Now there are certain factors that will decrease your chances. So now number 1 is your Express Entry profile is expiring in 5 months or less. And if this is the case, then you must create a new Express Entry profile if you want to apply for AINP and withdraw your old profile. Number 2, if you work in ineligible occupation, then you might not get selected for AINP. And find the link of ineligible occupation in the description box below. If you are selected and you get NOI letter from Alberta, then what are the next steps? How to apply? So step number 1, respond to the NOI letter. Now you have to email a copy of a letter to the AINP at this email address within 2 weeks of receiving it in your federal Express Entry profile with Express Entry profile number. Step number 2, receive a request from AINP to apply to this stream, and if you are selected to apply, the AINP will send you an email with a link to the AINP portal. Now step number 3, read the Express Entry terms and conditions. Step number 4, review the assessment criteria. And step number 5, complete your online applications and pay the application fee. Now you must submit the application online. And how to use that AINP online portal is you will be emailed a link for your AINP portal, and you have to enter the same email address you used to submit your NOI letter as well as your Express Entry profile number. And you must have a basic My Alberta digital ID account to access the My portal. And how to create your My Alberta digital ID, I'm gonna post the link in the description box below. After that, you have to submit your documents to the AINP portal and pay the fees. And Alberta Express Entry Stream document checklist I am going to post in the description box below, but you will have a personalized document checklist as per your profile, and the fees to apply for AINP is 500 Canadian dollars. After you apply, AINP file number is available on the My Applications page on the online portal, and all the notifications of your application will always come from this kind of email ID. So if you are getting an email from Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail or any other free email ID account, then that could be a fraud. Now once the decision on your application will be made, then you will receive an email and you will receive a nomination certificate through your Federal Express Entry portal. And you will have 30 days to accept the nomination. Now after you are nominated, step number 1, accept your nomination within 30 days from your Federal Express Entry profile, and you will be awarded 600 additional points in your Express Entry profile. Step number 2, review your nomination certificate, and if you find any mistakes, then contact your AINP officer who issued your nomination. Step number 3, you will receive an invitation to apply. And if you are invited to apply for permanent residence, then you will have 90 days to submit your documents for your PR application in your Express Entry account. Now, usually it is 60 days, but due to COVID, they extend that, and you will have 90 days to submit your all the documents. And step number 4, apply online for permanent resident applications and upload all the necessary documents. Pay the fees and wait till you get a decision on your application.
So this was very easy process for Alberta PNP. Thank you so much guys for watching our video, and stay tuned for our upcoming videos.